Welcome back. In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to fix Tinkercad login issues. If you're unable to sign into your Tinkercad account, keep getting an error message, or the login page isn't working properly, this tutorial will walk you through the most effective solutions. Let's get started. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Double-check for typing mistakes, extra spaces, or an incorrect keyboard layout. If you can't remember your password, click the ** forgot password * option and follow the instructions to create a new one. Next, verify that your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent the login process from completing successfully. Refresh the page and try signing in again after confirming your connection is working. If you're still having trouble, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can sometimes interfere with the login process. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and visit the Tinkercad website again. You should also try using a different supported browser, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version for the best compatibility with Tinkercad. Another useful step is to disable browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or security extensions. These can occasionally prevent the login page from working correctly. You can also open Tinkercad in an incognito or private browsing window to test whether an extension is causing the issue. If you use a Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Autodesk account to sign in, make sure you're selecting the same sign-in method you used when you originally created your Tinkercad account. Choosing a different login provider may prevent you from accessing your existing projects. Finally, if none of these solutions work, the issue may be temporary. Wait a few minutes and try again later, or contact Tinkercad support if the problem continues. And that's how to fix Tinkercad login issues. Thanks for watching this full guide 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe.